In this video, I'll show you how this mod restores cut content, removed buildings, and the original beta atmosphere of Vice City. Check my video description for this mod link. Check the download option. Wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Now just close it up here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Let's drag and drop this exe file inside the game folder. Now right click on this VCB and select run as administrator. Select yes option. Select install for me only recommended. Select next option. You need to select the fresh copy of YCT to install onto. Select browse option and navigate to the game folder. Select the game folder and select OK and select next. Make sure you selected this full installation and select next and select install. Now select this next option and select finish. Everything done. Now you can launch the game. Now the game looks totally different. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.